Hello bag lovers, how are you? Hope you're having a great time. Today I'll be sharing with you my new bag. This is a gift from my husband and my son this Mother's Day. It is a baguette bag from Mumi. They call it Blanka baguette bag. This is an old trend that was a new again. It is in fashion again. I love the design because it is like a croc fox leather. The color is blush pink, and I really like the color of the blush pink. It is not a very striking pink, and it is not an over light colored pink, so it can fit in most of the outfits because it is almost like in a neutral pink. I really like it. Now let's measure. This measures 10 inches, almost 10 inches by 5 inches height, and the width is 2 inches. So it is a baguette. I think baguette is something is a small sling bag, and it comes with this short sling, and it also comes with this shorter sling if you want to carry it as crossbody, adjustable sling. And the material is very thick and looks very durable and looks high quality. I really like the feel of this material. And also I placed a pom-pom, white pom-pom, to make it more attractive. And now look at this hardware. It has gold hardware, gold zippers. Really looks elegant, and I like the zipper pull as well. Now inside I have here some of the things I carry. So this is my phone case, and then I just put my phone case because I'm using the phone to video this video, and a pen, and then I have an alcohol bottle, small alcohol bottle, very handy in this pandemic times. Really need to always wash your hands with alcohol. Then I have my facial mask, which is color pink. When you go out, so you really need to use one of these. And then I have my tinted lip balm from Human Nature. This is the guava jelly. I really love the color of this one, like cherry color. Really like it. And then I have a small wallet for coins and some other receipts. And then I have my card holder that I use right now. And then I have a small pocket of tissue. And then I have, of course, my favorite, my angel, guardian angel, Saint Raphael, is always inside my bag that I carry. Then I have my chapstick, my menthol stick, of course my favorite Christine Louis Parent Freesia body spray, my favorite. I have a small umbrella that is tri-fold to fit in this cute bag. I also have my tape measure, retractable tape measure, which has this measurements of inches and centimeters in case I need it. And then I have another pen inside this cute bag. It's a gold pen. So inside you can see it's just a plain brown lining, and then on the other side you have one small pocket when you can place smaller items for easy access. And that's it. I really love the material of this one. It's really for me it's very elegant looking, very fashionable, very simple, as I really love simple bags. And nowadays I really am loving the croc design. Looks very luxurious to me. And I really like their stitching, how they do their bags, they create their bags. They looks very high quality, and I really love this. I hope they would have a smaller version of this one that's the size of the mini pochette. I probably would like to purchase again a small pouch. When this came, they also gave me a freebie, a small wallet, and thank you again, Mumi, for that free gift. I really love how they do their bags. They are made in the Philippines, in Marikina, where they manufacture shoes and leather goods and bags. I will put the link on my description box there on their store, Shopee store, and just in case you wanted to buy quality items, quality Philippine made items, I will give the link on my description box. And that's it for today. Please hope you keep safe and healthy, and please continue to enjoy, to relax, and to thank God for these blessings.